It's a mix of culture, exactly, of Asian, a little bit technique of European technique, and also to finish with a bit of Asian ingredients slash Arabic. First of all, we have a nice piece of Wagyu short rib, raw, a big slab. Try to get a biggest piece you can have, because while you are going to cook it all night long, it's going to lose all the fat and everything. Pomegranate seeds, coriander, sesame seeds, and pomelos. All these fresh items are really here to refresh the taste of the meat, because it's quite intense. Then we add the veal stock and braise it for maybe 12 hours to make sure that the beef is really nice and soft. So it's a recipe I've made since 5-6 years now. Oh, more than that now. Oh, 7 years. And now it's following me all the way where I'm going. And to be honest, it's a Chinese friend who taught me how to do a dish like that. And when you taste this dish, what makes this dish so special is it's not basically the technique of the chef. It's because we have a really fatty piece of beef, crispy outside and soft inside. It's quite amazing.